Imagine capturing a moment and holding it in your hands just seconds later. That's the magic of instant photography. In 2025, instant cameras have evolved, blending classic charm with modern innovation. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a casual snap shooter, choosing the right instant camera can elevate your creative journey. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 5 instant cameras of 2025, including a model that's redefining on-the-spot photography. The description includes all the instant cameras links. Now let's dive in. Number 5 on our list is the Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1. At first glance, the SQ1's clean, lightweight, and compact design immediately catches your eye. The camera measures 5.15 by 4.6 by 2.26 inches and weighs 390 grams. It is available in vibrant colors like chalk white, terracotta orange, and glacier blue. This square format camera produces 2.4 by 2.4 inch prints, delivering a fresh, retro vibe to your snapshots with its perfect 1:1 aspect ratio. With its one-button point-and-shoot operation, the SQ1 is ideal for capturing life's spontaneous moments, whether at parties, events, or during everyday adventures. To start taking photos, simply twist the lens to power it on and twist again to activate selfie mode. This intuitive design, along with a built-in selfie mirror, makes framing close-up shots effortless. With a close-up range of 30 to 50 centimeters. The SQ1 is engineered to automatically adjust exposure, producing vibrant, true-to-life colors even in low-light conditions. While it has a fixed f/12.6 aperture and programmed shutter speed for simplicity, these features ensure sharp, consistent images every time. However, this simplicity does come with a few trade-offs. The SQ1 lacks manual controls, a self-timer, and creative shooting modes like double exposure. Additionally, it runs on CR2 batteries, which can sometimes be harder to find compared to more common AA options, although it can take around 100 shots on a single set. Despite these minor drawbacks, the SQ1 is an excellent choice for those who love the square format and desire the instant gratification of a physical print. Now let's take a closer look at the Polaroid Now 2nd generation, a camera that beautifully combines retro charm with modern enhancements. First impressions? This camera exudes nostalgia. Its minimalist design, rainbow stripe accents, and sturdy body made from 40% recycled plastic all evoke the vintage Polaroid aesthetic. However, it is quite chunky, measuring 5.91 inches by 4.42 inches by 3.7 inches and weighing 455.8 grams without a film pack. The front shutter button can also be a bit awkward to press with one hand. On the bright side, it includes a tripod mount and USB-C charging, which is a nice upgrade in this 2nd generation. Under the hood, the Now 2nd generation features a 35mm to 40mm optical grade PC and acrylic lens with apertures of f/12 and f/52. This makes it great for landscapes, though it struggles in low light without flash assistance. It has an autofocus system that operates via 2 fixed focus zones, 0.55 meters to 1.3 meters, 0.6 meters to infinity, ensuring your photos are clear. However, the optical viewfinder is small and can be tricky for glasses wearers. Here's where it shines. The companion app opens the door to manual controls, bulb mode for long exposures, and creative tools such as double exposures and light painting. Image quality? Expect soft, dreamy shots with that classic Polaroid vintage vibe. Colors are muted, shadows tend to lean cyan or magenta, and close-ups remain sharp. But don't expect to pixel peep. The image format size is 4.2 inches by 3.5 inches. The film develops in 10 to 15 minutes, and shaking it won't help. Sorry, Outcast fans. Now let's address the elephant in the room, film costs. Each shot can really add up, with a 16 exposure pack costing quite a bit, and the camera doesn't include film unless you purchase a bundle. Moreover, low-light shots often turn out muddy without a tripod, and for casual users, the learning curve can lead to wasted frames. The Polaroid Now 2nd generation is available in 7 vibrant colors: black, purple, black and white, blue, Eames edition, red, and white. It also comes with a neck strap and a USB charging cable. It is compatible with Polaroid I-type and 600 film in the original Polaroid instant film format, and its USB rechargeable lithium-ion battery boasts a 15-pack battery life, allowing you to shoot frame after frame. So, who is this camera for? If you crave tangible memories and enjoy experimenting with filters and double exposures, the Now second generation is a delightful choice. However, if you prefer crisp, affordable snapshots, you might find the Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1 to be a better option. Next up at number 3 is the Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro, a 2-in-1 instant camera and photo printer that blends nostalgia with modern technology. Right out of the box, you'll find the camera itself, photo paper, an ink cartridge, a photo printer, a USB-C cable, and a starter pack of 60 sheets if you opt for the bundle. The retro design is stunning. Think vintage vibes combined with a sleek, portable build. It measures 6.7 by 6.5 by 5.9 inches and weighs 850 grams, making it perfect for tossing in your bag. This isn't just a camera, it's also a printer. Snap a photo, preview it on the 1.77-inch LCD screen, and decide whether to print or retake the shot. No more wasting film on blurry images. Plus, Bluetooth connectivity allows you to print directly from your phone. Want to turn your Instagram pics into square 3 by 3-inch keepsakes? You can do that in seconds. Check this out. Kodak's 4-pass technology layers colors and laminates each print. The result? Vibrant, smudge-proof photos that resist water and can last for a century. You can also choose between classic bordered or minimal borderless print styles for some creative flair. The free Kodak photo printer app is a game changer. You can add filters, frames, and even augmented reality effects before printing. Looking for a vintage Polaroid look? There's a filter for that, although one user mentioned the border style didn't match their expectations. Nonetheless, the editing tools are incredibly enjoyable. Now let's talk costs. The film prices are more than 3 times lower than those of competitors. It prints at just 12 cents per page when you purchase a cartridge bundle and 23 cents per page with a single cartridge purchase. So who is this for? It's ideal for creatives who want control over their prints, travelers eager to capture instant memories, or anyone tired of their digital photos collecting dust. If you're okay with managing film, the Mini Shot 3 Retro delivers both quality and fun. Number 2 on our list is the Polaroid Go Generation 2, the smallest instant camera on the market. Is this pocket-sized powerhouse worth the hype? Let's find out. First off, this camera is adorable, weighing just 240 grams and measuring 4.13 by 3.3 by 2.42 inches. It's smaller than your phone and comes in retro chic colors like black, white, blue, and red. Made with 30% recycled materials, it's also an eco-friendly choice. But don't let its size fool you. It's packed with features. The camera includes a self-timer, double exposure mode, and a tiny selfie mirror for framing shots. The controls are super simple. There's a shutter button, a flash toggle, and a power switch, making it perfect for beginners or kids. Plus, it eliminates the need for AA batteries. It has an internal lithium-ion battery that charges via USB-C. Polaroid claims you can take 120 shots per charge. Now, let's talk about image quality. The Gen 2 boasts a wider aperture f9 compared to f12 in the Gen 1, and a faster shutter speed, 1/300th of a second versus the previous 1/125th seconds, which results in brighter and sharper photos in daylight. The Go format prints measure 2.6 by 2.1 inches, height x width. But due to a thick white border, especially at the bottom, the actual image area is just 1.8 inches square. On the other hand, the I-type film print measures 3.46 by 4.21 inches. However, be aware of some quirks. Outdoor shots can sometimes be overexposed, and low-light pictures tend to be grainy, even with the flash. The film gives you that classic Polaroid charm, slightly desaturated with a vintage cyan or magenta tint. It may not be as sharp as Instax photos, but that's part of its charm. Each print feels like a tiny, imperfect work of art. The creative modes are where this camera really shines. Double exposures allow you to layer skies over faces for some surreal results. And the 9-second self-timer is ideal for group shots. Just keep in mind not to get too close. There's no macro mode, so subjects should be at least 1 foot away. Considering all the features the camera offers and the unique appeal of Polaroid film, it's a great deal. If you're looking for razor-sharp photos, you might want to explore other options. But if you crave a fun, portable camera that turns every shot into a retro keepsake, the Go Gen 2 is your match. It's not perfect, but that's part of what makes it lovable. Our number 1 spot goes to the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12, the instant camera that has been making waves this year. First impressions? The Mini 12 is adorable. With its 5 colors and bubble-like design, it feels like holding a toy. But don't let that fool you. This little gadget packs some serious upgrades. It measures 4.4 by 3.2 by 5.1 inches and weighs 306 grams without batteries, strap, and film. Fujifilm has nailed the retro modern vibe, although I do miss the bolder hues found in older models. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 is equipped with a retractable lens that has a focal length of 60 millimeters. This makes it neither too wide nor telephoto, providing a versatile standard field of view. With a focus range of 0.3 meters to infinity, you can twist the lens to choose between standard and close-up modes. Once you've made your choice, simply look through the 0.37x viewfinder and shoot. The parallax correction feature is a game changer, ensuring your subject is centered without any guesswork. It's perfect for selfies or capturing details like coffee art. While the aperture range isn't specified, the camera performed well in bright conditions and adequately in low-light situations. The shutter speed ranges from 1/2 to 1/250 and it adjusts automatically, the same as the Instax Mini 11. The pictures produced are wallet-sized with a full print size of 86 millimeters by 54 millimeters and an image size of 62 millimeters by 46 millimeters. The color film showcases strong, accurate colors with punchy contrast, while the black and white shots are appropriately monochrome, albeit with slightly less contrast. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 uses 2 AA disposable batteries. While this isn't great for the environment, it provides a long battery life. Fujifilm claims that 2 batteries will last for approximately 10 packs of Instax Mini film, each containing 10 exposures. Check out these results. The auto exposure feature is fantastic. Even in tricky indoor lighting, photos pop with bright, accurate colors. As for the flash, it has a range of 0.3 to 2.2 meters, which should satisfy most casual instant camera users. It's smarter than ever. It only fires when necessary, although it can still be a bit trigger happy. The camera takes just under 90 seconds for prints to fully develop, and let's talk about film. At 60 to 75 cents per shot, it's the most affordable Instax format. Now, it's not perfect. If you want double exposures or manual controls, you'll need to look elsewhere. And the battery door? It feels flimsy. Mine broke in storage, which is a known issue. But here's the thing. This camera isn't for professionals. It's designed for capturing memorable moments, weddings, parties, or just freezing time with friends. In a world of endless digital scrolling, the Mini 12 brings back the magic of tangible memories. No filters, no edits, just pure, imperfect joy. Plus, Fujifilm's Instax Up app lets you digitize prints for social media, so is the Instax Mini 12 the best instant camera of 2025? For beginners and casual shooters, absolutely. At its price, it's affordable, fun, and effortlessly charming. Grab one, shoot fearlessly, and let those prints tell your story. So which instant camera would you choose? Drop your thoughts below. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this countdown. Subscribe for more deep dives and check the description for exclusive deals on these cameras. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Digital Tech Reviews.